Hey, Captain America. What are you playing with?
It's not working.
It is working. You just can't see it because it's daylight and it's bright. So this is one of Daxton's favorite toys he got for Christmas. His auntie got it for him. It's a Hess truck. Show everybody what it does. Take out the little guys that are inside. Show them.
What?
Look. What is that? It's got a motorcycle in it. What? And they all light up. This is one of his most favorite ones, besides his Nike collection. What's in there? What? Batman wants to see too. Whoa. Those are super cool. The motorcycle lights up too. What?
What's up?
He's stuck? Put them all back inside.
No.
What are you going to do? You turning it on? I think Batman really wants the motorcycle. Oh! You putting it back inside? Wow. Those Hess trucks are so cool. We've been collecting them since I was a little girl. My dad started, and now my boys are doing it. And this was Daxton's first one of his own, and he loves it. Say thank you, Aunt Cass, for my...
Thank you, guys.
Drive it. Drive it. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What's it stuck on? All right, tell everybody bye for now.
Bye.